Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? So I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and sharing and telling people all about my videos, okay? Because we're all on a healthy journey together, right? We have to help each other. Today I'm making a special kind of barbecue chicken tortilla pizza, okay? I haven't named it yet, so I'll get to that after. But I'll tell you what you're gonna need. I used a medium onion, a Vidalia. You can use any onion, and I just chopped it up small, and I sauteing it with a half a package of some sliced mushrooms. They're white mushrooms. You can use cremini, whatever you want. You don't like mushrooms, you can sub it for other vegetables, all right? And if you don't want it at all, that's your choice. Then it's going to be a really simple recipe, right? So, and I'll just show you. So here it is, onions and mushrooms. Now this is going to be for 2 tortillas, okay? And again, if you're making for more people or you just want 1 tortilla, you can just use a smaller amount, okay? Like half an onion and a quarter package of mushrooms. And I just used some cooking spray. And if you want to use olive oil, you can do that, whatever you want. Now, you can buy whatever tortilla you want. I buy this low carb. It's a Mama Lupa tortilla, okay? Mama Lupa. What I love about it is it's only 60 calories and they're only 1 smart point if you're on Weight Watchers. So what I've already done for time's sake is I've toasted 2 of them because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna eat 2 of them. And you might be full after 1, but I love 2 of them and I like it crispy. So you can see that after you toast it, okay, let it sit for a few minutes and it gets crispier after it's been in the air for a few minutes, all right? That's my tip. And then I'm just putting it in my small toaster oven and just put some tin foil and spray it. And I have it preheating at 400 degrees because really you're only cooking the top part. So what's the star? The star is my leftover chicken. So I'm sure a lot of you buy barbecue chicken. Now get rid of the skin. I've already measured out. This is about 30 grams. Not 30 grams. It's 3 ounces. I'm thinking of my cheese, guys. All right, bear with me. I'm just doing this, you know. I'm not editing. So it's 3 ounces. You want to use 4, you want to use 5. This is extra lean ground. It's chicken meat. It's chicken meat, barbecue chicken meat. Now, if you have raw chicken meat or you have other chicken meat that you want to use and cook that up first, go ahead. This is just, you know, when you have leftovers, I was thinking the other day, what am I going to do? So basically all you're going to do is just take your hands, and I'll just take a plate and I'm just shredding it with my hands. That's it. Just shred it up. Really simple. You want to use a knife, you can go ahead, but honestly, you just take your fingers and shred, shred, shred. Okay, what am I going to do with this? Well, I'm just going to add it to my onion and mushrooms. That's it. So it's all incorporated. And I have it at a low heat. And I'm just going to saute that for a little bit so it gets warm, okay? And I'm going to show you the cheese. Hold on. This is one of my favorite cheeses. Look at that size. And I got a great price. So if you're in Toronto or Thornhill area, it's at Loblaws Super Center, SAPUTO Light Mozzarella. And what I love about it, for 30 grams is 2 smart points. So I used about 40, 45 grams. So I'll count it as about 3 smart points, okay, if you're on Weight Watchers. So this huge thing, $7.99, guys. It's on sale right now. But who knows when you'll be watching this video, so it might not be on sale. All right, so I just shredded that up. Just use a regular shredder, easy peasy. I'm going to put my Mama Lupa there. Now, the other thing that I love, of course, is my barbecue sauce. Guys, you don't have to buy the same sauce that I do. And for some of you, you wouldn't get this one because this is called Crazy MOOSKIES, and you can get this only in Canada. But any sugar-free, or if you want to use regular barbecue sauce, I'm not telling you not to. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. But you can get probably the, guys, I like the spicy. It's the award-winning barbecue sauce, and I love it, and so does my husband, and so does my daughter. So I like getting creative, and I like using a couple because it just gives it so much more flavor. Again, you can do what you like. So this is what I do, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon and put that in, and take another tablespoon and put that in. And the mixture of the two flavors are amazing. So I'm just going to show you that I'm just stirring that up. So then now the chicken's nice and hot and it's all incorporated. And again, if you don't like these vegetables, you can use whatever vegetables that you like. All right, that's it. So it's all incorporated. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put about, let's see, just a little bit, just a drop of sauce on each tortilla. Yummy. And I take my little brush and just brush it, just like you're making a pizza. All right, I'll put it down. Just a little bit, because you want this to stay nice and crispy, right? So just a little bit. And then I'm going to add, turn my oven off, and I'm just going to add to each one. And this is super filling, high protein, again, and low carb. You can have it with a salad, you can have it with some steamed vegetables, you could make kale chips, whatever you like. Or, you know what, I mean, if you want to add just some raw veggies and dip to the side, you can do that. And you'll see how much there is. Even with 3 ounces, not 30 grams, like I said. Look at that. Does that look good? Yum. So now I'm going to take my SAPUTO Light and just put that on top. Put it on my other one. Just like that. So, you know what? Sometimes you just want something fast and easy. And this is so fast and easy. Now, the other thing I like to do is take a little bit more sauce and just sprinkle a little bit, just a little bit over it. Just for some more. And it looks pretty too, but it tastes amazing. When the sauce gets nice and hot, I'm going to add a little bit of this one and just put that on top. I'm going to stick it in my toaster oven, and really it only takes a couple of minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. We're doing great for time. So I just want to show you that another tip that I have is I make a lot of vegetables. I steam a lot of vegetables. You see this big container, and then I have it for a few days. Yeah, we don't want to be cooking and shopping every day. So if you buy a bunch, I like buying the larger bags of broccoli or green beans or asparagus or whatever, and then you have it, guys, for a few days, and then you don't have to, like I said, you want to steam them. That's what I do. Or sometimes I roast them or eat them raw. They're great like that as well. So, and then you have it. A nice salad would be really great with this, as I mentioned. So you can do whatever you want. I'm going to show you. This is what my husband's having tonight. Check it out. He calls it his recipe, but it was originally my recipe. Okay, the breaded chicken, that's what's left over. I'm dying. I want some of that, but I'm going to have this. But this is an amazing recipe too. I figured I'd sneak that in because then you can see how delicious and crispy this is. Now, he did chicken wings, and he took a half of like a thigh and a drumstick. So anyways, he's enjoying his dinner in the other room, and sometimes we all have different dinners. So now I'm going to take this out. Have to get my gloves. You can see it only took a few minutes. All right, I just put it in my little toaster oven, and voila, there it is. It's piping hot. I'm not even going to try to eat this while I'm talking to you guys. And normally I do try and taste it, but you can see that it only took a few minutes because everything's cooked and everything is hot already. All right, so I'm going to enjoy that with some of my steamed veggies, and I hope you love this recipe and that you continue telling people and subscribing and commenting. I love all the comments. Thank you for the comments. And come visit me at Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips on Facebook. Bye for now. Mwah. Take care. Did you see my journey? I have that posted too, and you can see what I've been through. It's short. It's only a couple of minutes. Check it out. Bye, guys.